Welcome back, students. Let me move to the next problem. Integration e to the power x cos square x. Look, this is not exactly in the form given above. So we have to make it to the form. How do we make this? Write half here. This is 2 cos square x, so we can write 1 plus cos 2x. Yes. Now you have to split it into two integrals. First one is this, and the second one is e to the power x cos 2x dx. This is I say. So this is half integration e to the power dx plus half I1 say. Next I have to solve I1 separately and then substitute the result here. Do this integral or no, keep it because there is a problem of integration constant. Okay. Now I1 is integration e to the power x cos 2x dx. Do by parts. E to the power x integration cos 2x dx minus integration derivative of e to the power x e to the power x, integral of this is half sin 2x dx. Then you get half e to the power x sin 2x minus half integration e to the power x sin 2x dx. Do by parts again here. You get half e to the power x sin 2x minus half and I put here third bracket because second bracket will be needed in e to the power x sin 2x. So this will be e to the power x integration sin 2x dx minus integration second bracket derivative of e to the power x is this, integral of sin 2x is half minus half cos 2x dx, that bracket closed. Then this becomes half e to the power x sin 2x minus half, third bracket, this will be minus half cos 2x, that is minus half e to the power x cos 2x, and this becomes plus half e to the power x cos 2x. This is I1, half I1, third bracket closed. Now this becomes half e to the power x sin 2x plus 1 by 4 e to the power x cos 2x, and then minus 1 by 4 I1. I am erasing from here. If you take 1 by 4 e to the power x common, then you get cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x minus 1/4 I1. Take I1 this part to the left hand side, you get 5 by 4 I1 equals this. Therefore your I1 becomes I1 becomes 1 by 5 e to the power x cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x plus c1. So finally your I will be writing here I will be, this will be half e to the power x, and here it is half I1, so 1 by 10 e to the power x into cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x plus c. You can further simplify it. You can write e to the power x by 10 into 5 plus cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x plus c. This is your final answer. Next question. Integration cos of ln x. Cos of ln x dx. For this, first let ln x equals to z, then x is e to the power z, dx is e to the power z dz. This is I. So I becomes cos of z and dx is e to the power z dz. Now, like before, e to the power z is first function. So e to the power z integration cos z dz minus integration derivative of first function, integral of second function, and then whole integral. This is e to the power z into sin z minus integration. This is e to the power z, this is sin z dz. You get e to the power z sin z minus. We have to do by parts again. So put third bracket here. E to the power z integration sin z dz minus integration derivative of first function is e to the power z. Integral of this is minus cos z dz. So we get e to the power z e to the power z sin z minus third bracket, this is minus cos z, so e to the power z cos z, this is plus integration e to the power z cos z dz, third bracket closed. Look, I reappears here. We get e to the power z sin z plus e to the power z cos z and then minus I. So you get 2i equals to e to the power z into sin z plus cos z. So therefore finally I will be half e to the power z is x, sin of z is ln x plus cos of ln x plus c. This is your final answer. Next question. Integration e to the power 2x into sin x cos x dx into sin x cos x dx. We have to pack these two in a single form. So we have to write in this way: half integration e to the power 2x into sin 2x dx. Next, similar way, I equals to this. So half. This is first function e to the power 2x integration sin 2x dx minus integration second bracket ddx of e to the power 2x integration sin 2x dx second bracket closed dx third bracket closed. Its integral is minus half cos 2x, so minus half e to the power 2x cos 2x minus integration, this is 2 e to the power 2x, this is minus half cos 2x dx third bracket closed. Half introduced inside, so this becomes minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2x cos 2x minus half integration e to the power 2x cos 2x dx. Next, we have to do by parts again. Minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2x cos of 2x minus half e to the power 2x is first function, integral of second function minus integration second bracket derivative of this is 2 e to the power 2x, integral of this is half sin 2x second bracket closed dx third bracket closed. I am erasing from here because this will be needed afterward. Minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2x cos 2x minus half within third bracket, this is half sin 2x, so half e to the power 2x sin 2x minus e to the power 2x sin 2x dx integration e to the power 2x sin 2x dx third bracket closed. I have done mistake here. No. Integral of cos 2x is half sin 2x, which is okay. Okay, no problem. This is minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2x cos 2x minus 1 by 4 e to the power 2x sin 2x minus half, plus half integration e to the power 2x sin 2x dx. The whole thing is I here. So how can it be true? I have done some mistake. No, 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 no. 100%. Let me do it again. I am writing 2i e to the power 2x sin 2x dx. This is 2i, okay? This is our first function, e to the power 2x integration second function minus integration derivative of first function integral of second function and then whole integral. This is minus half e to the power 2x cos 2x dx minus integration. This is 2 e to the power 2x. This is minus half cos 2x then dx. This is minus half e to the power 2x. Oh, dx minus half cos 2x. Okay. Minus cos 2x. 2 cancel. This is plus integration e to the power 2x cos 2x dx. Now minus half e to the power 2x cos 2x plus by parts again e to the power 2x integration cos 2x dx minus integration second bracket d dx of e to the power 2x integration cos 2x dx second bracket close dx. Then minus half e to the power 2x cos 2x plus this is half sin 2x half e to the power 2x sin 2x. Next this is minus integration 2 e to the power 2x. This is half sin 2x dx. From here this is we take half e to the power 2x common, then sin 2x minus cos 2x minus cos 2x 2 cancel. This is 2i again minus 2i. So in the next step we get 4i equals to half e to the power 2x sin 2x minus cos 2x. Therefore I equals to 1 by 8 e to the power 2x sin 2x minus cos 2x plus c. Okay. Let us have a break. After the break I am coming with more problems. Okay. Till then be there.